FEW 94.3 FM पर मैं हूं हैदराबाद का दबंग रोहान, और दबंग इवनिंग्स में आज जो जानदार शानदार हस्ती आई हुई हैं उनके बारे में मैं आपको क्या कहूं। ये एक सुपरस्टार फैमिली से हैं। इन्होंने खुद अपना जो डेब्यू है वो एक एज एन एक्ट्रेस, एज एन हीरोइन शुरू किया था। अब मैं आपको हिंट देता हूं, ओक्का मनसू। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूं संध्या नाम के उस किरदार की जो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है। एंड हमारे साथ हैं निहारिका जी। तो एक बार तालियां हो जाए भाई इनके लिए। मैं सबसे पहले आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। आई रियली वेलकम यू हियर एंड लेट मी टेल यू, आई वॉच दैट मूवी ऑफ योर्स, ओक्का मनसू, एंड आई वाज रियली वेरी सैड, really very sad
that I died.
Yes, I didn't like that at all, and I was very angry towards Surya.
So many people didn't like it, that's why the movie didn't work.
But
so
even
many people didn't like
I
that
liked your performance, and I liked the dedication of yours. I loved that character.
Thank you.
In a family full of actors and stars, what made you become the producer while also acting occasionally?
So I became like an accidental producer.
Okay.
I started with the like every brother of mine, how they had the small kida of acting when they see my uncles or the other film, because that's all we've seen since we were kids, right? Like every Friday we're like, okay, what are we doing today? We don't discuss about where do we go for lunch, where do we go for breakfast. We're like, which theater are we going for, which movie release. That was our very common Fridays. So for me also, I didn't see the gender, though I'm the first woman from my family. That difference was not there in my head. I was like, okay, I'm also seeing movies. Okay, I also want to do what they're doing. You know, I didn't see any actress and get inspired. I saw my uncles and I got inspired.
That's a bit strange.
Yeah, it is strange. I used to see him dancing, I used to see him acting, I used to see him do other characters and then get inspired. So that's how I wanted to become an actor. So I thought, me and my friend, we sat and we developed something very small. It's called Muddu Pappu Avakai. It was the one of the first Telugu web series that came in Hyderabad, in Telugu. So when we were developing it, I was like, okay, I want to act in this. I said, okay, but how do we shoot? We need some money, no? I said, no, I have some money saved up, we'll put it. So like that, I became an actor and a producer. I didn't know at that time that, okay, I'm doing something which is production. I just thought I'm putting my savings. Lovely. So I didn't think I was becoming a producer, but slowly when that became a very big hit, a lot of people watched it. Everyone were used to short films. But suddenly there was something like series of short films. It was like a series of 5 episodes. So they really liked it, thankfully. And people are like, madam, are you doing more? You know, are you looking for more content? I said, what is this? Why are people coming to me? Because they're like, okay, I produced, so they want to see if I'm going to produce more. So that way I became an actor and a producer.
Lovely. मतलब कहते हैं कि जैसे हमारे यहाँ गुल्लक होती piggy bank. So we take out the money and then invest it in whatsoever we love to do.
That's exactly what I did.
Wonderful.
I worked somewhere as a television host, and I saved up some money. I put that money in this. Fantastic.
Okay. So as a producer, what is your approach towards a script? Means, what do you find the script? What do you like to find in the script that you feel, okay, let's go for this one?
Relatability. Because see, we have a lot of films. Like we have these OTT films that are over the top films like KGF or RRR or Pushpa, where a common audience is not relating to the hero. For them, they're like, okay, they're like a superhero, like Avengers or Avatar or whatever. For our range, it's Pushpa or RRR and all of these, KGF. They see that, they're not relating to that character, but they like the world that they drag you in. That is one kind of films.
True that.
The other kind of films is when you go sit in the theater and you're like, that's like me. Even I do that. My friend does that. My girlfriend does that. My father is like that father. So those are the films I feel stay with us for longer. So that is the kind of film that I pick.
Sure.